some case.
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ 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 ಓಕೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಮೇರ್, see that man. Can you see that man? He's limping. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌದು ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹತ್ರ ಕುಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು
ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
Don't you think? By the way he's limping, don't you think it's a case of ankle sprain?
Ankle sprain. I think ankle sprain ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಇಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೀ I think it is knee.
No, Dr. Mesh. I don't think so. See. The way he's moving his hips. See how he's moving his hips. I think it should be a definite case of initial case of slip disc. Oh, yes.
Ankle, knee, slip.
Oh, again, sir.
Doctor, I am observing something else.
What is your observation?
See, he looks aged. ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, see, he is fully bent here, fully bent. It must be osteoporosis.
No. Osteoporosis ಖಂಡಿತ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. See, the way he's lifting, the way he's moving his hips, the way he's bending. I feel it should be a definite case of spinal, somewhere between L4 and L5. L4. He's coming. Definite case.